When we appeared on the Food Network channel, we shared our family recipes with millions of people, and now we're happy to share them with you. So welcome to Mary Jo's Tamales. Pull up a seat and let's get started. Hi guys, how are you doing today? I just wanted to share with you a few pointers on how I got my ham to look like this and to taste absolutely delicious. This is a spiral hardwood smoked ham, and it is fully cooked. Even though it's fully cooked, you must follow your cooking instructions because generally you will have to cook it for an additional hour and a half depending on the size. I put it in an oven for 325 at 325, and I want to share a few tips with you about how I got my ham to taste and look like this. Tip number 1, 7-Up. Yes, 7-Up. You're going to take that 7-Up in a can and just pour it on top of your ham. Notice that the ham is laying flat in our foil, and I have enough foil underneath that I'm going to bring it up over the ham, and it's going to look like sort of like a tent. We're just going to put it loosely over the ham. Okay, here's our beautiful ham, and it is looking wonderful. The juice from the 7-Up is in there. I basted it, and now we're going to put it back into the oven. I just took it out. It's been in there about an hour, and now I'm going to put it back in and let it finish cooking without the foil on it for about 30 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to put our glaze on top of our ham. Just put it right on the top. You don't have to open it and put it inside, just on top. I'll turn it over and put it on the other side also. Those are the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you in this quick video so that your pre-cooked ham will look and taste as delicious as this one. Thank you and have a good day, guys. See you in the next video.